Folks, today we're talking about something big. The new ChatGPT voice model, launched on September 25th, 24. It's going to change the way we interact with technology. You might ask, what's so special about this? Well, it's simpler than you think. Imagine talking to your AI just like you talk to a friend. That's what this new voice model allows. More dynamic and lifelike conversations, customizable voices and accents. It makes your interactions feel personal. Accessing it is easy. But here's the catch. This feature is available for ChatGPT Plus and enterprise users. It's exclusive to subscribers, but it's worth every penny. Now, let's break down how it works. The AI listens to you using speech recognition. It turns your voice into text it can understand. Then, it thinks about the best response. Finally, it speaks back using text-to-speech technology, all in customizable voices and accents. And it happens in seconds. So why is this a game changer? Because it's making technology more human. No more typing or clicking. Just speak naturally, and the AI responds. It's like having a real conversation. This has huge benefits. In customer service, AI can handle calls efficiently. In education, students get instant answers. For people with disabilities, it's a leap forward in accessibility. Now, you might wonder about privacy. Rest assured, your voice data isn't stored. The AI processes your input and moves on. Your conversations are secure. What about accuracy? The AI is advanced and understands different accents and speech patterns. It keeps learning and improving over time. Let's talk about making it personal. Choosing the voice and accent makes the experience unique. It's not just an AI, it's your AI. This personalization makes interactions more engaging and fun. But remember, while the voice feature enhances the experience, the AI's core functions remain the same. It still provides accurate information on finance, healthcare, technology, and more. Now think about language barriers. The AI supports multiple languages. People worldwide can use it in their native tongue. It brings us closer together. Imagine the possibilities in global communication and business. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap. The new ChatGPT voice model lets you have real conversations with AI. It's easy to set up and use. It personalizes your experience with customizable voices and accents. And it's changing the way we interact with technology. So if you're a ChatGPT Plus or Enterprise user, give it a try. Experience the future of AI communication today. You'll be amazed at how far we've come. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Together, we're shaping the future. Remember, the future is here, and it's speaking to us. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.